can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Can't slide.
Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Can't drive.
Window.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Too Fast TV. Today I'm here in the shop with Salim. I think Sean's coming by later. And today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finishing up the bumper on the Hummer, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to be finishing up this steel bumper on the Hummer. This thing's a beast. Oh my God. 4 people to lift this thing up and mount it. At least 4 people.
Yeah. So like, pretty crazy to get to where we are today. We had to get these actually laser cut, and one of our guys, we've actually developed a really good team right now that allows us to make all sorts of goodies. That's how we're making these bumpers right now. And a lot of the guys that I'm working with are actually really talented. We're also going to be designing some chassis mount for that wing right there. One is going on my car and one is going on a wide body Civic that we're working on. We were able to actually get this product here cut and built to spec. If you can see here, I'll show you how the paperwork came out. So yeah, this is for the front bumper. All the angles are there. Everything's there. You'll see Harman come by later. He built this masterpiece here, and then once we get all the pieces, I come and I put it together. We weld it together, send it out, and it gets powder coated or Line-X, whatever we decide we want to do with this bad boy right here. You see, this is for the rear bumper, and this is the design itself. Some of the documents, like fraction of the documents, is actually about 5 pages for each one. Way more specifications, but
This is just the base outline of what it's going to end up looking like.
yeah, this is when you get the engineers to do their magic, and then they bring us the actual pieces and we put it together. So very exciting.
See here?
Very exciting.
It's already tacked
line of
up,
work.
you know.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna continue to weld. We have another plate that goes here. You guys will see that. We have the side plates. Once those are on, then the whole piece gets welded. We reinforce the weld from the outside and the inside. And we weld it all throughout, because keep in mind, guys, this has to be able to pull out. We're gonna have the winch here, so it has to be able to pull a trailer at least 6,000 pounds, right? You gotta be able to know that this bumper will be able to pull the 6,000 pounds when it's holding onto the frame of the vehicle, right? So whatever we're building is not just for looks. It has to be able to function. If he gets stuck when he's off-roading, you know, it's very important that he's able to pull his vehicle out of the ditch or out of the mud. And keep in mind, it's going to be an 8 to 10,000, actually 10,000 plus pound vehicle, and you're going to be pulling that.
It ain't a Hummer H1, it's a Humvee.
Humvee, yeah. So, you know, everything is taken into account. And that's
Function
why-
first, you know?
Function over form, baby. Let's do
Hell
it.
yeah.
Let's get to work. All right, guys, you know what they say, right? Safety first. So I'm gonna get my face mask. Keep it safe in this shizma.
Shizma.
And then we're gonna play some music in this crib mode.
Well, what?
BRB. What are you doing, babe?
We're printing out signs for the delivery people
Did it
to
print
drop
out or no?
off. Yeah, it worked. No?
It worked?
There you go.
Pause that and read that.
You want me to read it?
No, not you, not you. The people watching.
This one is for them. But I have to reprint it. The printer printed it funny.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
To call us for product delivery.
So what does this mean for the people then? Can they still get their parts?
They can still get their parts. You just have to call us here and Salim will give you the link to order online. You can get it delivered to your house.
There you
Don't
go,
have to come
people.
in.
Don't come spreading your corona over here. All right, thank you. We may already have a victim amongst us. Venom! Yeah, boy! Venom, you having a good time? Yeah! How was that, Venom? How was that?
Fast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gangish. So high off this rubber.
Your laugh just gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.